Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to change the title bar, my website, and how we are going to change the fav icon. So what we have to do, first of all, you have to go to our apps, right? So here you have to install the website. So I think the website module I have already installed. Okay, so here you can see that the website, e-commerce website still I have already installed, right? So now I have to go with the settings. Okay, so now here you can see that I think I'm not in the e-commerce settings, so I have to go to the website, then we have to go configuration, then e-commerce. Then here you can see that here I can change my technical Rajni, the name of the website, technical Rajni. I can just add, you can add the Favicon icon also. So I have the gift icon, I guess. Let me just check where it is. It should be here. Let's search gift. Yeah, gift, this one, this icon I'm gonna use it. Okay, my fav icon. Now I'm gonna save this, and if I go and just check here, you can see that my website, okay, and the icon is different. If I just reload, the icon is this one, and title bar here shows my website name. Okay, so this is how you can configure that one. Any doubt, any query, to let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.